Hey friends, if you wish to know what Brave Search is and how to use it and how it is compared to Google and DuckDuckGo, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So go to search.brave.com to access Brave Search. Now you can try searching through it and hit enter. So, what is my opinion on Brave Search? First of all, in comparison to Google, obviously it will not steal your data. But you know what? When you're using Google, there are options to hide your data. Plus, there is nothing like your data that will be misused. I mean, my data was never misused. They just use it to send relevant advertisements. But yes, this is way cleaner if you want Google like search results without the AI overview. Google has AI overview, which is much better than searching for answers on the web these days, and people rely a lot on that. But yes, as you can see, there are no ads and nothing here. So yes, it gives a much cleaner view. Now, how is it in comparison to DuckDuckGo? I would say way better. I'll tell you why. It doesn't steal your data. DuckDuckGo gives you complete privacy. It doesn't keep any sort of data under any situation. Okay, and when you search through it, the results are not as accurate. Okay, this isn't picking it up from Google. It is even worse than Bing, to be honest. So if you want like absolute privacy, you're searching something that you do not want to be recorded at any cost, then you can go for DuckDuckGo. In case of Brave, it doesn't keep records, but yes, it may keep records in certain situations. And as for Google, it is very advanced, but it has advertisements and a lot of clutter, which Brave doesn't. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.